Hello po everyone, this is Samurai 155i and we know it has the power to drive you up. So itong speed na to, yung city driving, chill driving, okay naman, kaya yan ni Samurai 155i. Kaso parang inaayawan niya yan eh. Di bale, pero if you like that speed, you still get the smoothness out of it. Pero if you need the power, ayun, gustong gusto na yun ni Samurai 155i. Hala, sige, so amping ingat lang mga kasamuray sa mga friends natin dyan. This is a great model from Europe. This is Samurai 155i. Tara na!